Chapter 92. The Night. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By the night as it conceals, and by the day as it appears in brightness, and by Him who created male and female. Certainly your efforts and deeds are diverse. As for him who gives in charity, and keeps his duty to Allah, and fears Him, and believes in goodness, we will make smooth for him the path of ease. But he who is a greedy miser, and thinks himself self-sufficient, and rejects goodness, we will make smooth for him the path of evil. And his wealth will not avail him when he goes down into destruction. Truly, guidance is ours to give. And truly, to us belong the last and the first. Therefore, I warn you of a fire blazing fiercely. None shall enter it save the most wretched, who denies and turns away. And the pious and righteous will be far removed from it. He who spends his wealth to increase in purifying himself, and has in his mind no favor from anyone for which a reward is expected in return, except only the desire to seek the countenance of his Lord, the Most High. He will surely be well pleased.